Use that thing on.
Yes, so we're currently sitting in the plane waiting to go, and yeah, fingers crossed it won't get cancelled because of ash clouds, like some other flights have been.
3 flights to Malaga.
Don't go to Malaga today.
Don't go, no, that's a good point.
Yeah, but we're not going to Malaga, we're going to Nice, and then to Cannes. And this is day 1 of the Cannes vlog, so we'll see you hopefully when we get to Cannes.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. So,
filming.
I'm filming this. Us walking to, in theory, the villa. So we'll see.
Potentially a villa.
Thanks.
Don't know. There's a big gate and probably need some secret password and some.
We have no idea because no one's been in touch. So we'll see.
Yeah, this is our room in Cannes. We got in through the gate, so it's really nice. And this is the view. Kind of.
The pool is hiding
type thing, and over there you can just see the sea is over there, so it's not bad at all.
Not bad.
And we've just been invited for a glass of wine by the pool. So, see you later.
So yes, we're here and we're off to explore. I'll try and give you a bit of a tour. Well, I say I'll give you a tour. I think I've already broken my sunglasses, so that's all good. Yeah, so let's go check out the villa.
That's the screening room. It's fantastic.
Wow.
It was absolutely solid, filled with furniture just this morning, but this wonderful young lady here, she's removed it all.
Sold it all on eBay.
It's true. I carried the couch. I debated one-handed, but I don't like to brag. It's nonsense.
But she did.
I did. Totally did. Yeah. Do that all the time.
Excellent. Wow. We have a kitchen.
Some wine being had outside.
Humongous.
Yeah, I know. Hard to get used to, right? Where'd you guys come from?
Go.
I'm surprised the kitchen is so small.
For this size, yes.
Yeah. For this
Yes.
place.
In fact, there isn't really a kitchen.
No.
There's a hob. Obviously, a place like this, if you own this place, you don't cook.
No, you get stuff.
You get stuff flown in.
South Africa.
Yeah, special.
Screening room. Have you seen the screening room?
We've seen the first screening room.
Near the echo of the screening room.
Yes, and now that's 6th
Now
floor
we go
downstairs.
Follow the breadstick.
Follow the breadstick. My
Going
goodness.
downstairs.
There's a breadstick.
It's breadstick.
and the breadstick is exploring. Oh, look, there's a gym. Blimey. So I did
Videoing.
Yeah, I am doing a Cannes vlog.
There's
There's more gym. My God, we're going to have to keep fit.
That's screening room 2.
Oh, it's screening room 2. Look, we're missing things. Screening room 2. This is the quite cozy one.
Do you have to film the mess I've made?
Don't worry, I'll probably edit this out as in delete. This is the laid-back, chilled room.
Oh man.
Chilled screening room. Back past the gym. And more toilets. There are a lot of toilets in this place.
And the rooms we're staying in down here.
And the bar.
Bar and the pool.
There are more toilets than people in this house.
And Transport of London Underground.
Okay, so we're trying to find a restaurant, and we turned down a few, and as a consequence, the Seagulls just shat on us.
Yeah.
Yep.
The Seagulls are very, very sort of into their food, and we passed on 2 or 3 good restaurants. Clearly pissed them off. not just pissed.
Yeah. So I hope that's not a sign for the rest of the.
Well,
it's
good
good luck.
They say it's good luck. So
fingers crossed we're going to sell movies and things, even though we don't have.
It's going to be quite good.
Yeah. Signing out.
We're looking forward to it.
So we're showering later. So it's about 10 o'clock or something like that.
Yep.
End of day one, I suppose, in Cannes. Not accredited yet or anything. That's all the job for tomorrow. So yes, settled in, had some food.
Bought a bag of stuff.
Bought a bag of stuff.
A little water and a little stuff.
Yeah. Highlights of the day.
Highlight of the day was to be shat on by a seagull.
So that's not the lowest point?
Nope.
What was the lowest point, I wonder?
We're
still waiting for the lowest point.
I'm still anticipating things to happen.
Okay, brilliant.
Yeah.
So that was the highlight of the day.
Highlight.
It was quite interesting, and I'm hoping it doesn't happen every day. Yeah, so I'm going to sign out probably for today. Going back up to the villa, walking our way back up. And yeah, we'll see you again tomorrow for day 2 of the Cannes vlog.
Day 2? Or day 1 actually. This is sort of not even day 1, is it?
This is pre-day, but I don't want to confuse things, so
True.
We'll call this day 1.
Day 1.
Day 1.
The beat through the hooks.
Yeah. Alright, bye.